Yo guys, and today I will be wait. Wait. And guys, today I will be blowing up my iPad, and this is how you know I'm gonna do it. Spawn barrel 400. Hey, where are they at? Where the barrels on these? Why am I lagging? But they're like, what in the? Why are they up there? Why are they there? Wait. Oh man. Guys, I'm gonna. Yo, No. Okay, that didn't really go on the range. Guys, this is the last seconds, guys, before Loki blow up my iPad. I'm already lagging. I missed! I have to run. I might just do this in Starbucks. Oh my! Okay, I just blew up my iPad, bro. Wait. Now, guys. Wait.
Make headway.
Guys.
Make headway.
Make headway, okay? Guys, today we're gonna be blowing up my app. I'm gonna blow up that again. Spawn 1,000.
Prepare a rampart.
Oh my!
Prepare a rampart.
We got. Look at that. You see that? That's 1,000. Wow. Please say I missed that. You know what? I'm doing Holy cow. Very Chernobyl if it was small. Look at that. That was so scary, bro. Spawn barrel. We're only spawning 100, guys. Because I want to. I'm doing max. Maybe not. Oh my. Wait, we're doing this not all sound. No, this was max. This is not max. Spawn. Barrel 50. Here's the barrels. So guys, I will beg you. Yo, this is already loud. Oh my gosh, that was actually